Okay, so a demonstration that the iPhone 3GS works with the old Honda Ipod kit. So as you can see, it's a Honda Civic, and just to show you the iPod, one iPod, and you can see there, actually it's the iPhone, I tell a lie, and I can't get a zoom, but you can see iPhone on there. So it's a new iPhone 3GS. I'll slide to unlock it. Go into iPod, playlists. So you can see we've got Honda 1 and 2. Apologies about the blurriness, but I don't know how I can fix that. But you can see it. So we've got a Honda 1, we got shuffle, and just get you some sounds. So take the headphones out, and then play. Okay. Pause that. And then just to prove that it's not just a pause, we'll come out of it totally. So you can see we're back to the start. Now, if I connect up to the iPod connector, and you can see there, Honda Ipod connector. There's no Honda badge on it, but I'm guessing you guys will know what that is. And then connect iPod. So let me just put this down and connect in, just to show I'm not putting anything in there. So you can see straight into the iPod, the iPhone. It does come up with that message. I normally just push no. Okay, and get the keys and start this up. Just take it out again. Okay.